Learn how employees manage their timesheets, submit leave requests, and access their pay information. We'll also cover roster viewing, clock-in features, and how to handle break management through the mobile interface. So when an employee initially clocks in, they're going to view the homepage. What they can see on the homepage is their last payslip. They can see if they have any upcoming shifts in the roster, so it will be their next upcoming shift. And they'll also have the clock in button if you do have the clock in and clock out functionality enabled. And then down at the bottom, they'll see if they have any pending leave requests and their current leave balances. Now, just moving across the tabs up the top here, first tab is going to be access to all of their historic payslips, which they can open up. They can download into an Excel or PDF, or you can send it through to someone. Next, we have the leave, and in the leave section, they can view all of their current leave balance, and they can also view any of their approved or pending leave requests. They can also use the leave request feature here to submit any type of leave request that they need. Then we have the timesheet section. This would be where they can view any of their timesheets that they have applied based off the clock in and clock out, or alternatively, they might have the option to edit their timesheets or enter in timesheets retrospectively. Then we have the rosters, where the employee can see all of their historic and future shifts. So they'll be able to just switch between the weeks and the dates, and they'll be able to see all of their shifts in there. They can click on a shift, which will give them more information on that. And that is an overview of the Employment Hero Work app.